Welcome to English literature class, children. Myself, Mrs. Karmender. So today we are going to start with the chapter Becoming Great. Before moving on to the chapter, children, I would like to say you something. That your success and your happiness, it lies in your hands. If you are truly determined about something, you will surely succeed. This is what we are going to learn through Mary Kom in this chapter. So children, do you have any heroes? Is there someone you greatly admire? Is there someone you would wish to be like one day when you are older? Well, it's always possible. All the great people in the world were once as young as you are now. All the great painters, musicians, sporting greats, the writers, dancers, film stars and others, they were all children before they grew up and achieved greatness. One day, you too could become great. But remember, there is a hard road ahead because greatness does not come too easily. Here is a story about someone who did become great. In the northeast of India, in the beautiful state of Manipur, that is one of the seven sister states, a poor couple lived in a village called Kangthai. They worked hard as manual laborers. Manual laborers means people who do physical work in the fields. On 1 March 1983, they had their first child. They named her Mangte Changnijang Mary Kom. From a young age, Mary helped her parents by working with them and by looking after her siblings. Siblings means brothers or sisters when she wasn't at school. At school, Mary enjoyed playing sports and was especially good at athletics, physical sports and games, children. She was strong and supple. Supple means flexible. She was fast. Mary went to the town of Moirang to continue her education but struggled with her final exams. Mary knew how important education is, so she went on to complete her exams through the National Open School, now the National Institute of Open Schooling. In 1998, Mary kept up with the news of Asian Games. She watched as Dinko Singh, who was also from Manipur, worked his way up to the winning gold in boxing. So he is Dinko Singh. Mary was inspired by Dinko's strength, skill. Skill means the ability to do something well, and speed. She wanted to be a boxer. Mary's parents and other people she knew did not understand why Mary was so interested in boxing. They thought that it was highly unusual, means very rare to happen for a woman to want to be a boxer. Some people try to discourage. Discourage means preventing someone from doing something, but Mary was determined. Now she was determined. In 2001, she came second in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. In 2002, she entered again and came first. Mary Kom is often called magnificent, means very talented Mary because of her accomplishments. She has been the world amateur boxing champion 5 times. In the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, women's boxing was allowed for the first time. Mary fought tirelessly. Tirelessly means with great effort and won the chance to represent India. At the Olympics, Mary stayed focused, means paying complete attention through round after round and match after match until she won the bronze medal for India. This secured her a place in the sports history. In the 2014 Asian Games, Mary became even more of a sensation, means causing widespread reaction of excitement when she won the gold medal in South Korea. In recognition, that is realizing someone's efforts of her achievements, in 2013, Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India. So these are achievements of Mary. She was previously awarded the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's most prestigious sports award. Prestigious means having high status. Mary got married in 2005 and she and her husband have 3 sons. They live in Imphal. As well as training arduously, that is with great effort, Mary campaigns, that means works in an organized manner to achieve a particular goal for various causes. She promotes animal rights. She encourages people to volunteer, means work for an organization without fee and work to improve their communities. Mary is a passionate, means caused by strong feelings about promoting health and fitness. She teaches disadvantaged, means that is poor or needy people, children, how to box, thereby passing on the skills of determination, speed, ability, moving with speed or grace, power, endurance and mental toughness, that is ability to overcome any problem or worry. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography, that is writing of one's own life's accounts. Today, Mary is a hero to many school children like you. But you must never forget that you too can become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered to you in life. Thank you and have